All right, so we're going to learn how to create a chart or a sort of graph on Google Sheets. So we're starting by, so we have our data set here. And okay, so we're going to use the example we're going to be using is fruits. We have fruit, we have quantity. So we're starting with something simple. We're going to do something simple. And we have orange, apple, banana, mango, strawberry, and we have the quantities just right beside them. So all you have to do is you highlight what you want to create. That's the data. You highlight the data you want to create a chart for. Once you do that, you just go to insert and scroll down till you see charts. You select charts. Once you select chart, you can see automatically it brought out a pie chart for me, but you can decide to change the charts. So there's a column chart, there's a quantity, there's a bar chart, a quantity chart, and so on. There's also line chart. You can play around it depending on what you want. We have this column chart. We have donut chart. We also have 3D chart. So we have all sorts of charts. Let's say I'm going with this, for example, and you want to edit any of this. So you can actually double click on each aspect you want to edit and change it as. You get also, if you want to edit any of the labels here, you can also double click on it to maybe change the font size, for example, to like 12. It affects everything once you do that. But let me revert back to what it was. You can change the color of the text. You can see it's changed. You can just play around it. And same thing with if you want to, let me say, for example, you want to change the color of any of these pies, any of this pie. Hold on. So you click on it, you can see the color. You can decide to change it to this, decide to change this to what you like and all that. And also you can go further, you can play with it and go further, and you can also customize it. Since we already have this selected, you just go, what we just finished working on was we worked on the setup. You can click on customize just right beside it, and you can edit more. For example, the border color, you can change it. You can even you can untick the 3D part and change to a normal pie chart. So this 3D, we are back to 3D. You can change the color, like I said. You can change the theme, right? It's been changed. You can see this has been changed. Let's go to pie chart. Let's go under pie charts. You can adjust the donut hole to 25%. You can make it 50%. It all depends on what you want. You can also put labels on it like the percentage and all that. Depends on what you want. I usually do not prefer that. So it depends on what you want, and you can also. So we see under pie slice, you can see the drop down. Each drop down shows you different things you can customize. For the pie slice, let's change something that has changed. Depending on what you select, then chart axis and styles. You can also play around this. You can see it has to do with this. We change the font, the size. We can do that. Italics, bold, alignment. We can do a lot of that, and lastly, you can also change the legend. The legend is definitely all this. Maybe I should call it mini labels. You can decide where you want it to be. It's currently on auto, but you can change it to the bottom. You can see it looks cleaner. You can make it left, you can put it on the left, you can put it on the right. You can just play around it. So this is a crash course, yeah, but you get the idea how to, so you know how to do this. You can also explore it more and get to even learn more. So you can move this here, so you can actually move this here. So I think that should be all. Yeah, thank you.